So here's Storm in the rain. He doesn't seem very pleased. Hi, love. Well, go on. Let me see if I can't find some drops falling for you. Oh, this is my neighborhood. There is my mom and stepdad's house. And way over there, that's my car. It looks so small. Okay, we're going up towards it. Here's all of our dead flowers and things. Oh, except for we've got one. Oh, my mother wants to point out that these are hallucinogenic flowers. Here we go. Oh, Storm's sniffing him. He's gonna get high. Awesome. And the leaves, they're just starting to change. I know in California they're all brown, but really they do change colors in other parts of the world. See? It was so windy last night too. You can tell the tree's kind of blown over a little bit. Here we go. And there's Storm. Oh, and I bet he's going to go on that tree too. Or not. But it's been raining like this for, God, at least 5 hours. Last night it was really pouring. Woke me up. I got to listen to it. It was really, really cool. And that's all. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but it sounds really, really nice. And there's Storm once more. Hey, Storm, come on. Good man. All right, man. I'm so glad you're feeling better. And I'm going to stop the video. Oh, wait. There we are. Little show off. I bet you're totally having fun watching my dog pee. This is awesome as hell. Well then, I guess he had to go. Anyway, here's Let Me. I'm glad you're feeling better. Go home soon. Bye.